Well, this is a slightly different film. Here is a rather well used 18 plate Renault Zoe. So we're going to talk about older EVs, or higher mileage at least, because this little Zoe, 41 kilowatt hour Zoe, has done 99,998 miles, and on this trip it's going to roll over the 100,000 mile mark, which takes it out of the battery warranty. And I don't think I've ever owned an EV outside of its battery warranty before. So the battery warranty on these is 8 years, and this car is now at 18 plate, it's 6 years old, so it's well within the time of the battery warranty, but it's a 100,000 mile battery warranty on these. So I will do my drive this morning, and when I get where I'm going, you'll see the mileage is over 100,000. While I'm on the private roads of our estate, I can drive the car for you with the camera going, and you can hear it's actually quite quiet. Oh look, there's a pony. What a surprise. Oh, they're foal. Look at that. Baby horses. Oh, 2 baby horses. It's that time of year. They're tiny. Just look at those, aren't they cute? Just remember, if you're in the New Forest, never to touch the ponies or feed them or go anywhere near them. Right, yes, back to the car. There's no rattles or squeaks. Everything works as it should do. These have a habit of eating drop links on the suspension, on the front suspension. This does have a slight creak when you give it full right steering lock, which is probably a dry bush of some sort in the suspension or steering, but I'll have a look at that at some point. But no, it's a great little car, and as you can hear, I'm driving over this terrible surface and there's no rattles or squeaks or anything nasty. So I'm very pleased with it, and I'm hoping that it won't throw any battery problems up and cost me a fortune in that respect. But you can pick these up for very little money now, and it's a great car with a very good range. As you can see, we're at 75% battery and we're showing 117 miles range on the screen there, 118 now. Yeah, I'm pleased with it, and I'll keep you posted as to how I get on. Right, well there we are, 1001 miles. Battery warranty has now expired. Interestingly, I did reset the trip computer, and driving more efficiently than the car's supposed to, I have managed to get the same mileage displayed as when we left, but I've done 4 miles, and our current average is almost 5 miles per kilowatt hour. So very efficient car in the summer, this. And the 41, the Zoe 40, ZE40, has a heat pump, so it's actually not too bad in the winter either for efficiency. You just need to keep the refrigerant topped up. So a lot of problems on these ZE40s with the heating are down to lack of refrigerant in the system. Anyway, we're now outside of the battery warranty, so that is now uncharted territory for me, and I just have to hope it carries on being as good a car as it has for the last 100,000 miles. Well, I'm now home, and we're on 100,006 miles, and the battery didn't explode, the car didn't catch fire, and we didn't grind to a halt, so I can only assume that the car's just going to carry on as it was before the warranty expired. Now, an interesting little thing with these older EVs, the most popular older EVs on the road, the Leaf and the Zoe, you can get an OBD reader, and here's the OBD port on the Zoe down here in the center console. And you can connect your OBD reader and connect to an app on the phone that can give you all kinds of information about battery health, battery temperature, and so on. And the battery health on this car is 85%, which after 100,000 miles is pretty good. It still has 170 odd miles when it's fully charged, this car, and I don't see any problems with it ongoing. Most of the loss in a battery is early on in its life, so it should just carry on going and be a perfectly good town car with a 150 plus mile range for the next 3 or 4 years.